Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group, guys. And both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group. And while coming to the present video, here we are going to see the PhD entrance test, that is Research Entrance Test 2021 from the government college. And for this one the UGC NET is not required, okay, with only PG whatever the departments are there, so you can apply, guys. And there is a possibility of direct admission for UGC NET qualified candidates. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Banaras Hindu University. So you may check down here. I will provide this official, this website link in the description box of this video. So you just scroll down here and you can get down the RET information bulletin. So click on this bulletin, then you will be directed to this detailed notification, guys. Okay. So in this one, so for admission to PhD, integrated MPhil, PhD and the MPhil programs, so candidate must ensure that they fulfill the minimum essential qualification. So PhD through research entrance test and the direct admission, that is RET exempted. So here you can check down in various disciplines, the PhD degree programs, whatever the departments are mentioned here in the below table that I will show you right now. So through the research entrance test and directly for the RET exempted categories, okay, or the candidates that you may check down in the section C.1. So section C.2 and C.3 is given, so that I will show you right now one by one. First we will see the departments or the disciplines, guys. So arts, and here the main disciplines are given: Arabic, Tamil, physical education, mathematics, Marathi, Persian, German, Urdu, statistics, Bhojpuri, and EVM and Janpadiya Adhyayan. Next coming to the commerce and Sanskrit, Vidya, Dharma, Vigyan, social sciences and science. So coming to the science, physics, chemistry, geology, biochemistry, geophysics, computer science, mathematics and statistics, medicine and Ayurveda, dental science, law and education. And coming to the Sanskrit, Vidya, Dharma, Vigyan and science. And next, so disciplines in which admission will be only through RET exempted category. So those disciplines are mentioned here that you may check down, guys. And the disciplines in which no admission in PhD will be done in the academic session 2020-21. Okay, and here, so these are the disciplines, guys. Okay, and you may check down here in detail. They represented the disciplines as well as the departments and the specializations that you may check down carefully one by one. Okay, and here the number of vacancies are also given here as per the departmental wise. So coming to the faculty of arts in Arabic, the code number maximum intake, and the discipline library and information science and the linguistics. Okay, the maximum intake are also given here so that you may check down carefully. So whatever the department you belongs to and how many vacancies are there. So as per that one, you may proceed to the filling up of the online application form, guys. So for your detailed information purpose, I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video. Okay, and here the few more details are also given here that you may check down. And while coming to the direct admission, that means a candidate who fulfill one of the following requirements may consider for direct admission to the PhD program. That means a candidate who is qualified the NET JRF, NET lecturership, and graduate aptitude test for engineering and the SLETs. Okay, so the candidates who satisfying the any one of the following one, then those candidates are eligible for the direct admission of the PhD program. Okay, so these are the details, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And at the end of this video, the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, so there one announcement follows, so you may listen guys. And here the application fee is also mentioned, entrance fee that you may check down. So for SC, ST, PWD 400 rupees and for other category 800 rupees. And here the two applications are there separately that you may check down. Okay, so click to apply for RET, that is the research entrance test, and here click to apply for RET exempted candidates. Okay, so if you are the UGC NET qualified candidate, then you may click on that one. Okay, and you will be directed to this one, and here the applications are there for RET 2020 and application for RET exempted candidates. So click on that one. If you are the exempted candidate, then you will be directed to here. Okay, so register yourself and then start logging in guys. Okay, so you will be login and then fill up your details. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.